Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our top 3 must-have electric products that will revolutionize your daily life. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the Dyson V8 Detect Cordless Vacuum. This incredible device is a game changer when it comes to cleaning. With its powerful suction and advanced sensors, the Dyson V8 Detect is perfect for picking up even the smallest particles. Trust us, once you try it, you'll never want to go back to your old vacuum. Next, we have the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. This robot vacuum is a lifesaver for busy individuals. With its smart mapping technology and powerful suction, the Roomba i7 Plus is the perfect solution for keeping your home clean and tidy. Plus, it's so easy to use, just set it and forget it. Last but not least, we have the Barista Express Espresso machine. This machine is a must-have for coffee lovers. With its easy-to-use interface and delicious espresso, the Barista Express is the perfect way to start your day. Plus, it's a great investment for any coffee enthusiast. So there you have it, folks. Our top 3 must-have electric products. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.